Samsung's next folding phone launch will be one of the biggest ones yet. The tech giant will finally show off the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 next month. There's even talk of a third phone, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 Fan version, which would be a surprise. But that's not all. The long-rumored tri-foldable phone, which may be called the Galaxy G Fold, is also finally getting some attention. A news story says that Samsung will show off these cutting-edge foldables at its Galaxy Unpacked event in New York City on July 9th. According to the most recent leaks, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 will be available in stores in August, just over a month after their big surprise. Even though the name of the Z Flip 7 Fan Edition hasn't been announced, it's also likely to come out around the same time. Samsung says the Z Fold 7 is its most advanced folding phone ever. Based on what we've seen so far, the Z Fold 6 looks like it's from the 1970s. It looks better, is smaller, and has more power than ever. The Galaxy Z Fold, Samsung's first ever tri-fold smartphone, may be the most shocking thing they show off. This cool gadget from the future will also be shown off in July, but it won't be available until October, and only in a few places. The first 200,000 units are only supposed to be made. The long-awaited Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is almost here. It's said to come out in July, and stories keep coming out. Almost everything about the device is known now, from its specs to its size. But until now, no one had seen it next to the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which came before it. That's no longer the case thanks to a Korean tech-focused YouTube account that put together the first real-life comparison of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Fold 6. The Z Fold 7 is both thinner and bigger than the Z Fold 6. Samsung has made a lot of progress in folding design. It's a big change in just one generation. When unfolded, the Fold 7 is only 4.5 millimeters thick, while the Z Fold 6 is 5.6 millimeters thick. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.